Hello, it's David here from LAM Communications. We've got some more products to show you that are just coming online. But first of all, we've got the Skytec Mini. It's a mini tripod, SL239 mount, and a couple of ground planes, a bit long feed of cable. Right, also anchor the ground planes down, make it look neat. The other products is an HF Pro 1. Now we're doing this together as a kit. And this is a Skytec Max. The Skytec Max, I will assemble it for you, but you can see. This is actually adjustable. We've found the best performance is just to leave the radio on receive, get the noise level up, can be used in conjunction with the tuner. Right, going down to the ground plane system, they're 10 metres long, winged up, attachable on the U-bolt here, and a couple of washers to make sure it's nice and stiff. And just to prove it, these are 10 metres long, all the way down the end here. You have the dog bone, you can stretch it out, and all comes as part of the kit. What you can do, like that. We'll have a look at length of the coax. Right, good long length of the coax. This is 10 metres long, we've measured this out, it's the same as the ground planes. So you can have the air in a way from everybody else, you're not going to get tripping over the wires, and you can operate comfortably without being disturbed. You see how we're doing this. Actually all come in a box no bigger than about this big altogether. The total weight, it's about 8 to 9 kilos. The other thing it does come with, it comes with a carry holdall as well, which I will just go and get for you while Joe just gives you a few more images and close-ups. Carry holdall. There will be a Max 2, but that will use a slightly different antenna. We will review that in days to come. Thank you very much.